Hey everybody, so got a quick video to do. Picked up an item from Michael's craft store. I thought it'd be interesting. Maybe somebody that is on the channel may like this or need something like this. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so I picked this item up from Michael's craft store. It's an item that my wife stated she wanted. She showed me a photo of it a few days ago or a week ago, something like that. It says it's a large photo and craft keeper. And my wife stated she wanted to use it for seeds. She wanted to put seed packets in these things, which I thought that was a pretty neat idea. But it's the size, all these containers are the size of a standard printed photos from, 90s, 80s, 70s before. Except for like 50s and 40s, which the pictures were a lot smaller. But a standard size for, pictures you can get printed between 70s, 80s, 90s, and early 2000s. I don't know if people still print photos, but these containers are a little kind of neat. They're colorful. They also had a clear set at Michael's where this whole box was filled with just clear containers, but my wife wants to use these for putting packets of seeds. Just like on previous video I showed a bunch of seeds for my wife's garden. She wants to put them in here. That way she doesn't lose the seeds, and she doesn't have to put just the seeds in a container and then not know what those seeds are. But it comes with a dark pink, a light pink. Let me kind of tilt the camera down a little more. Dark pink, kind of like a fuchsia pink, regular light pink, comes with an orange, a yellow, a dark green, kind of an aqua bluish color, a dark blue, and a kind of like a violet colored purple. And it comes with two on two of each color, one on each side. Comes in this larger container. You latch it and then carry it. I hit the camera, guys. But I just thought it was neat. Maybe somebody on my channel needs to organize something in particular, and this would be helpful. This is not an unboxing or anything like that, or a tool video. It's just I found something interesting that my wife needed, and I thought maybe it would be useful to somebody. If somebody needs to put seed packets or something in one of these, or maybe you guys have like little specialty tools that you want to put in it, like drill bits in one, and punches in another, and chisels in another, stuff like that. Being a tool channel, thought it might be helpful. Maybe you put different Dremel items in each one of these trays or something like that. And the measurements of this box is 14.9 inches by 12 inches by 5 inches. So it's 14.9 inches long or wide this way. I would say 14.9 inches long, 12 inches wide, so from the bottom to the top where each tray goes up, and it's 5 inches thick, or 38 centimeters by 30.5 centimeters by 12.8 centimeters, however you want to look at it. They're on sale for $25 when they're normally $41. It says distributed by MSPCI from Irvine, Texas. It says made in the USA, so it is a USA item, and it's looks like the brand is Recollections. Holds 4-inch by 6-inch containers. 4-inch by 6-inch photos is what it says. So standard 4x6 photo. but you can use them for whatever you like. I'm looking for something similar to this, but I need it a lot bigger and a lot wider. I need it, you know, full size, like 12-inch wide trays, which I'll eventually find something like that. I just figured it'd be interesting for you guys. Maybe somebody on that is subscribed to the channel may need something like this, and they just never thought to go to a craft store or something like that. Just a little quick tips and helpful video. Appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the channel and the video for today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links and my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Peace!